Alright, this is our straw shooting lab by Imbal Schlesinger, Mark Philip Boysa, John Derrick, and David Bunce. We first did a control straw using the minimal amount of tape to have it fly. Used a degree of 45 and a power of 6, which resulted in our trials an average of 730 centimeters.
So this is our new idea. The straw, it looks like this. So we have the cut straw to 13 inches. We covered it with an extra rotation of tape from before, and we wrapped it into a cone shape at the end of the straw. This is a picture of it, so you can see it bigger. And these are other types of straws that we used, but they didn't work as well, so we didn't go with them.
So after we tried the last straw, we made a few changes. So one of the first changes was we added an extra centimeter of tape. After that, then we subtracted 2 centimeters of tape. Next, we put 2 rings of tape on the middle of the straw to hopefully balance it while it was in flight. Next, we added 1 ring of tape instead, so we removed one, so we only had 1. And finally, we took off 1 inch of the straw. We just cut it off with scissors. So this is a graph showing how each of those went. So here we have our control, which went 730, and each of these are averages. Here is our new straw. After we took off 1 centimeter, took off 2 centimeters, had 2 rings, and had 1 ring. So as you can see from this data, our new straw had the farthest average at 1,470 centimeters.
So our best experiment was based on our original prototype design, in which case we used our new straw, which we then took and we did -1 centimeters of tape, and then we cut off 1 inch of straw, and that resulted in our best design. We shot at 45 degrees with a power of 6, and that got us the farthest recorded distance for our group, which was 1,520 centimeters, although the average for this straw was 1,470 centimeters. Why will our straw travel the farthest? The first one is that it was further than most of the other tested straws, and also because that cone-shaped design is more aerodynamic, and the shore design makes it so that there's less drag while still being able to have a horizontal shape. So it's reducing drag while still keeping a very aerodynamic function. Its simplistic design also makes sure it's not overcomplicated, make sure that none of the other parts are catching in the air, and the simplistic design also helps it be more aerodynamic since it's just piercing the wind, almost like a javelin. And it's not too heavy as well, which is what other groups are having troubles with. Thank you very much.